Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to delete your Instagram account. It is a very simple step-by-step, so let's get started right away. The first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. From here, you want to click on the bottom right corner where your profile is. Then you want to click on the three little lines in the top right. Then click on Settings. Once you're here, you just need to click Account. Then you scroll down to the very bottom where it says Delete Account. So here, there's two different options. You can either deactivate your account, which is temporary, so it hides everything until you log back in. So you'll still have all your things. You just can't see it until you log back into your account. However, if you completely delete your account, everything that you've had on this account will be completely gone. But if you're still wanting to delete your account, you can click Delete Account and click Continue Deleting Account, and you'll be able to delete your account, and it will be gone forever. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.